Welcome to V.I Tech Academy, where accessibility meets innovation.
Do you want to convert your big audio files into text? Are you searching for a free audio transcription software which is 100% accessible with screen readers? Then this video is only for you. Hi guys, welcome to another video of V.I Tech Academy. My name is Ratul and I'm your host for today's video. In this video, I'm going to reveal an audio transcription software that is completely accessible with screen readers and you can convert your audio files into text. The best part, you don't need to enter any API key and you can save the text files as a TXT format. So you can easily open that file in future using Notepad. Guys, sometimes we receive big files, audio files or lectures, audio notes, but we do not have enough time to read them. So we can easily just read the text quickly. So what we can do is we can convert those audio files into text files and save it into TXT format and we can read it anytime, anywhere we want. After watching this video, you can also be able to do this using your laptop or desktop. Before jumping into the video, I would like to share with you one important information. In October 2025, we are starting our next Getting Started with Reaper course. Those who want to learn Reaper basics to intermediate level, please join this course. Because in this course, you will learn what is Reaper, how to set up Reaper, what are the essential add-ons and tools you need to start your audio editing journey. After learning Reaper, you can edit any audio files, add BGMs, voiceovers, adding effects and much more. If you are interested to learn more, visit our official website from the About page of the channel or follow us on Telegram and WhatsApp to get updated about our courses. The best part is you will be certified by our academy and if you want, you can join this training on one-on-one basis. So without further delay, check out our website. The software which I'm going to talk about is SoundTranscriber. First you have to download this software, then you can able to use it. So before using the software, I will play one audio file.
Alright, diving in today, we've got Helen Keller's The Story of My Life.
Oh, a classic.
It is, and we're going deep.
Yeah.
Using not just her autobiography from Project Gutenberg,
Right.
but also some of her early letters. We've even got reports from Anne Sullivan, her teacher.
Wow, getting the full picture.
Exactly. It's like a multifaceted look at her early life, her education, you know, all those moments that kind of like made her who she was.
Yeah, those turning points.
So this is the audio file which we are gonna transcribe using this software. Now let's open the software. I have already downloaded it. Keep watching this video because at the end I will tell you how you can download the software for free.
Screenshot Sound Transcriber 23.
So let me open the software. The software name is Sound Transcriber. At the end of the video I will tell you how you can download it for free. So I'm gonna open it.
Sound Transcriber result edit read only waiting for conversion to.
So when you open the software, your focus is directly on the result page and it is saying
Waiting for conversion to start.
waiting for conversion to start. Now I'm pressing tab here.
Language combo box English India.
So
Collapse.
from here you can choose the language. It supports multiple language because it is actually using Gemini. Okay, Gemini is AI tool.
File/link edit read only blank.
So here you can paste the link or you can upload the file.
Browse button.
So you can browse here directly or
Result edit read only
then
waiting for
result
conversion to
options is
start.
there. Before converting any audio to text, I'll just show you what other options are available here. So I'm pressing Alt key.
File submenu Alt plus F.
So under File submenu, let's see what are the options available. I'm using up and down arrow keys.
Open O.
Open.
Save unavailable list.
Save.
Save a submenu
Save
list.
as. So I'm just going to this submenu.
Save as text file unavailable
Text
list.
file, I already told you.
Save as Word file
Save
unavailable
as Word
list.
file.
Save as subtitle file unavailable.
Save as
as
subtitle
submenu.
file.
Settings S.
Settings.
Open log file O.
Open log file.
Exit E.
And exit.
Open O. Save on the file submenu.
After file menu, I am pressing right arrow.
Services submenu Alt+.
Let's see what's there under services.
Speech recognition. Google. Check
So by default, Google selected.
Wit.ai. Meta. W.
This is another which is provided by Meta.
Whisper. OpenAI. W.
OpenAI.
Speech recognition. Google. Check.
So Google is now API key is included. You don't need to enter the API key. But for other services, you must enter the API key. So let me go.
Submenu Alt+.
See, under help, you will find some options.
System submenu.
Then system.
File submenu. Services submenu.
So under services, you will find the options which I have shown you. Right? So now let's see how it works. So first I need to browse the file.
Language combo file / browse button. Select the file.
So I am pasting the file name here.
Paste. Rattle Basak V.I Tech Academy videos creator studio Helen Keller before the miracle.
So now I am just pressing enter on this, or I can just press tab.
File open button Alt+.
Click on open.
Sound Transcriber browse button.
Now I'm pressing tab.
Result edit read only waiting for conversion to
Tab.
start. Language combo box
Tab.
English. Start button.
Start button and then.
File / link edit read only selected Helen Keller before the
So
miracle.
it is already selected.
Start button.
Now I just press enter and it will start converting this audio file into text. So let's do that.
Pause unavailable. Please wait. Edit read only splitting file.
So here you can check the status.
Extracting text. Extracting text.
And your focus is on the result edit area.
Time and the day we've got Helen Keller's.
And now see, this is converted.
Time and the day we've got Helen Keller's The Story of My Life from project, but also sorry letters we will get reports from insolvent her teacher getting the phone 18,880 and interesting. Develop. Time and the day we've got Helen Keller's. Pause button.
So it is still converting.
Stop button.
You can stop, you can pause.
Pause please wait. Edit read only. Time and the day we've got
As this file is little longer,
24%.
so it is converting. In the meantime, if you want, you can subscribe to our official YouTube channel if you did not do it, or you can follow us on Facebook and LinkedIn. Links are given in the video description below. If you have any question or if you have any
36%.
problem, you can type into the comment section. Let's wait for a few minutes and then we will come back to our video. So guys, our transcription has successfully processed and now our audio files has been successfully converted into text. And now see,
The time and the day we've got Helen Keller's The Story of My Life from project, but also sorry developed so important, shows you how much we crave that understanding even before we have words from, and almost sitting herself on feeling the water explosion of understanding the awakened approach questions like what is love.
now you can directly copy from here, or you can just press application key.
Context menu. Undo you.
Undo,
Redo unavailable.
redo,
Cut unavailable.
cut,
Copy
copy,
unavailable. Paste unavailable.
paste,
Delete unavailable. D.
delete.
Select all A.
Select
Undo
all.
you. Select undo. Redo unavailable. Cut unavailable. Copy unavailable. Sound.
Okay, I'm just pressing tab
Language
here.
combo.
Language
Start
start button.
button.
You can start it again.
Copy content.
Copy
button.
content.
Save as button.
Save as.
File / link. Save
So
as
if I
button.
press enter here,
File / save as button. Press context menu.
see it's a context menu opened. Okay, use spacebar instead of enter.
Save as text file S.
Save a text file,
Save as word file.
Word,
Save as subtitle
or
file S.
subtitle file.
Save as text file.
So
Sound.
if you use it as a subtitle file, then you can easily import it in VLC media player to show this file as a subtitle file. But if you want, you can save it as a TXT file or Word file for your better experience. So this is how you can easily convert your audio files into text files, and this is a free audio transcription software for visually impaired, and this is now completely free for computer use. So guys, I have shown you both. For Android, we have text to audio feature of Tech Freedom. For computer, we have Sound Transcriber. If you want to download this application, don't forget to follow us on WhatsApp, because we share the download link of this software on our official WhatsApp channel. If you love this content, please press the like button and do not forget to press the hype button if you find it just before the comment section. This will help us to grow and this will help others to learn. Share this video with your friends and loved ones. That's it guys for today's video. See you in another interesting tutorial. Till then, bye bye.